Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed a small bit of time together. I did a little bit of a ColourPop haul just because I got some things around Christmas time. But I played with the Aurora Struck palette from ColourPop. This was part of my order. It looks like this. It is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. I'm gonna have swatches. I'm gonna have a tutorial, my thoughts, all that goodness. So if you want to see how I created this gorgeous look and hear all my opinions on it, then let's get into it. Today's drinky drink is from the local, at least my favorite local coffee tea place. This is an Italian cream soda in blue raspberry flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Just so good. Also, before I get into it, this sweatshirt or sweater, whatever it is from Etsy. I saw it originally on TikTok, but I don't trust the TikTok shop yet, so yeah, I found it on Etsy, and these are from Walmart. But today is all about my ColourPop order. I got some things that I'm excited to show you. We got some single eyeshadows, a highlighter, 2 palettes. I got this around around Christmas. Like I bought it around Christmas, so there was a lot of stuff on sale around that time. My cart was fuller. There was a lot more things in it, and then yeah, I kind of brought it down, which I was really proud of myself for. But let's take a little look into these, and I'll be playing with some of it, all that goodness. But to start with, we're just gonna start. We're just gonna do it. I got the Mint to Be 9 pan palette, which looks like this. Well, the outside does. This is the outside packaging, and this is the color story. I think it is so cute. I have the orange and yellow ones of these. I always wanted to get the blue, but I don't know why. The mint one was just speaking with me. So yeah, there's this one. I also got the Legend of Korra Super Shock highlighter in Spirit Winds. I think the packaging for it is just so cute. Also, if you see me squinting when the products are being shown, that's because I can't see. I could be wearing my glasses, but apparently they peeve some people off, so. But this is the outside packaging of the highlighter. I think it's so cute. It is snowing. And this is what the highlighter looks like. Maybe we should swatch it. I'm kind of just going like this. Ooh. That is what that looks like. It's gonna be maybe a little bit too dark for my skin color, but who cares? And we all know that I go in with the Blend Bunny one anyways. Next I got 4 Super Shock eyeshadows. I've always wanted these and to have these in my collection, but I could never be like, oh well, which one do I want? So I got 4. We'll start with this one. This is the color Obvi. It looks like that. Super pretty. I will swatch all of these after I've shown you them. This is Rem. This is Rem. And this is Health Nut. I think this is my most favorite one out of it. She's so gorgeous. She's so pretty. And then I got this one from the Haunted Mansion collection. This is the I Knew one, which looks like this. Super pretty. I'll be playing with these at some point. Let me swatch them real quick. So these are what they look like. This is Rem, Avi, Health Nut, and I Knew. I think Health Nut and I Knew are just going to be absolutely insane on the eyes. But I kind of got these two because they go pretty much with, they didn't come with, wise. But with the Aurora Struck eyeshadow palette, I got this because of Erica Conger. So this is all because of you, Erica. the damage to my bank account is all because of you. But this is what the palette looks like. I think it is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. I will put swatches in here for you of this bad boy. It is just so gorgeous. The tones are so pretty. I'm excited to play with this. So this will be what we are playing with today. I might bring in some of the Super Shocks, but I think I really just want to play it with this one today. I really don't know what I'm feeling here. I'm thinking I kind of really like, I'm leaning towards that and that, but also that and that and that. There's just a lot that I really want to play with in here and that I'm eyeing, so let's see where we go with this. But as always, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fairy 2N and then setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. We're going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Bucket List. I'm going to be taking that on a Rephr 15. I got to clean all my brushes, but I'm going to be just plopping that into the crease area here. Just so I have something I can blend the green shade I want to put in here into. Just so then it's not just directly the green. I'm pretty sure ColourPop was actually, like, after I got back into makeup, the first brand that I started getting stuff from. Actually, I know it is. This, and then it was Beauty Bay. And then after that, it was Nomad. So, like, that's why I'm always just using pretty much those three brands, because they've been my staples. They've been my favorites for years now. You know, like, they haven't spot in my heart. But we're going to be going in with that shade right there called Phenomena. And I'm still going to be taking it on that Rephr 15. Not a lot to start with because I don't know if this is fully the brush that I want to go in with, but we're just kind of feeling it out. But I'm going to be popping that right in here. And then after I have that down, I'm going to go still in with the Rephr 15 after I've cleaned it off a little bit and just sort of blend these two together. We don't need harsh edges. So I'm thinking I want to use that as like the inner corner, like, you know, like right here, just to make it pop. So, but I'm really like leaning towards like these and like that. But I want to add something like bright out here. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right there called No Sleep on a Rephr 12 and just plop it out here. And I will be going back in with that Rephr 15 to sort of blend that out better together, but we're just going to be stamping this in where I want it for right now. And like I said, going in with that 15 and just blending. But I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Stormy Much. It's like gray, but it's leaning blue type color. It's still in with that Rephr 12. Put it kind of in the crease here and then bring it down around this part of the eye. I'm still going to go in with that Rephr 15 again just to sort of blend it. That's my blending brush for right now. After I'm done just, you know, placing it. I do, why was I looking at my hand? I do feel like I almost need some depth, but I don't know what that would be, you know? Like I said, I know that I want to put that blue there, so maybe we could put something dark here, and maybe that could be this In Orbit shade right there. I'm thinking taking that on this Rephr 26. It's more of like a pointerish brush, and plopping that right here. She's pretty. Like I said, I really like that pink. I really like that pink right in that area, so I think I'm going to keep that there, but I'm going to blend them together at some point. I am taking it up a little bit and dragging it into the crease here. We're going to be going in with the Refer 12, sort of just blending up here out a little. And then going back in with that pink No Sleep shade into here. I don't want to lose it. I like having it being bright. And I like the angle, shape, whatnot that it's giving right now. I will go in, I think, with that Refer 15 very lightly and just blending everything. But otherwise, I'm really liking how it's looking so far. I think that looks cool, right? I do feel like we need just a tad bit more depth on this outer edge here. Maybe we'll go in with this Stargazing shimmer shade right there on that Refer 26 again, because why not? And just plump it like right here. For under eye, what if we just do shimmers in the under eye? I'm kind of feeling that. So maybe we'll go in with that shade right there called Radio Waves on this Refer 03 and just bring it along right here. And then I think we're going to go in with a mix of this Comet Seekin and Borealis shade right there. Starting with that Comet Seekin one. I'm putting it right here. And then I think, because I really want to put that No Sleep, no. I'm going to go in with that blue Journey shade in the inner corner. Again, still on that Refer 03 after I've cleaned it off a little. And blending that and that in Orbit shade together. So that is so pretty. I'm going to be taking a little bit of that down here. I want to put some sparkle in the inner eye, so I'm thinking maybe a mix of that shade and that shade. So Borealis and Head North, these two right here. We're going to start with the Borealis, even though I know that I'm saying it wrong. For whatever reason, I just can't get it to come out of my mouth right. But we're just going to be popping that right in here. I'm not using any sort of spray or wetting my brush or anything, just using whatever it feels like it's gonna give me. I think that Borealis shade over the Journey looks so good, but I'm gonna go with a little bit of the Head North. And then I think because I'm a shimmer addict, I'm going to go in with a little bit of that So Lit right there. It's more leaning towards pressed glittery typeness, but who cares? Ooh, yep. Okay. I kind of want to add a little bit of that So Lit shade just right here. Just so like when I move like this, it gives a little bit of shine. See, now that is just super pretty. Okay, we're gonna do, I think maybe use some of that shine for a brow highlight after I'm done doing my face. So I'm gonna go do my face, my lashes, we'll come back for blush, highlight, whatever, and then my thoughts. So I'll be right back. Hold your horses. So I went in with the shade Plump from the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks blush palette, and then in the Noctilucent highlighter palette in with Phenomena, Transient, and Apparition, just for kind of the highlight. I'm thinking for like up here, that So Lit shade again, that one right there, on a Refer 13, just for a brow highlight. See, now that's super pretty. For lip, I went in with this Najahal Beauty lip. I can't remember what it is actually, but it is Self-Care. I got this in PR. It will be linked down below. I don't make any money off of it, but it's just so you know, I got it in PR. But this is the final completed look. I think it is super gorgeous. I'm very tempted to put this ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil and Raspberry Mojito on over this lip, but I think this look is so gorgeous. This palette performed so good. The mattes are really good. The shimmers are really good. I do think that this is a more pressed-esque type glitter, but other than that, I think this is going to be one of my favorites in my collection. This is so good. So thank you, Erica, for influencing me to get it. But yeah, I'm so excited to dip my fingers into this more. I think just a look with like these right here would be absolutely gorgeous, and like there's just a lot to do in this palette, and I'm so excited to have this in my collection now. So if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. I understand you don't like it. I understand you don't get it. And I understand you don't understand it. But that's something that you need to take a step back on and reflect on and do better on. Also, remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going on. So make sure you're taking in the most actual factual information, taking it in, digesting it, and speaking up about it. And remember to be taking care of you. Remember to take in enough water, to drink enough food, to not be such a people pleaser. To remember that you matter, that you're there, and all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.